In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account, step by step, on both your phone and computer. Are you tired of juggling multiple email accounts? Or maybe you just want a professional email address? Creating a Gmail account is the solution, and it's easier than you think. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added useful resources there for you too. Now let's get started with creating Gmail account on your computer. To start, head over to gmail.com in your web browser. Click on Create Account. You'll see options here for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. Choose the one that fits you best. Enter your first and last name and click Next. On the next page, enter your date of birth and select your gender, then click Next. Then, you'll need to choose a username from the option suggested by Gmail or select the option to create your own Gmail address. This will be your Gmail address, for example, yourname@gmail.com. If the username is taken, Gmail will suggest alternatives. When done, click Next. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password and click Next. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. This is for account recovery, so it's a good idea to do it. Click Next. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and click Verify. Review the privacy policy and terms, and click I agree. And that's it. You've created a Gmail account on your computer. Now let's see how to create a new Gmail account in a mobile phone. Open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap Sign In and then Create Account. Choose the account type, for your use, for your child, or for work. Enter your first and last name. Next, enter your birthday and gender. Then, create a username and password, enter your phone number, verify it, and agree to the terms. The process is very similar to the computer method, so you'll have no problem creating your account on your phone. You can add a recovery email address. This is helpful if you forget your password. You can also customize your profile picture and adjust other settings in your Gmail account. By the way, if you want to learn how to create Gmail account without phone number, click to watch this video right here. To explore more Gmail video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.